Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lotus pudding. This delightful dessert, also known as makkain kaikir, is a wholesome and satisfying treat. We will go through each step, from gathering your ingredients to the final presentation. You will learn how to transform simple lotus seeds into a rich, creamy pudding that is perfect for any occasion. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this wonderful recipe. To begin our lotus pudding journey, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2½ cups of lotus seeds, often called makhana, which are the star of our dish. For that creamy texture, have 6 cups of whole milk and ½ cup of heavy cream on hand. Sweeten it to perfection with 8 tablespoons of sugar and use 3 tablespoons of ghee for roasting. A pinch of cardamom powder adds a lovely aroma, and 2 tablespoons, each of sliced almonds and pistachios, will be perfect for garnishing. Now, let's dive into the cooking process. First, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a large pot. Add your lotus seeds and stir-fry them for about 8 to 9 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Next, pour in 6 cups of milk and let it simmer gently for 1 hour, remembering to stir occasionally. In a small skillet, heat the remaining 1 tablespoon of ghee and fry your almonds and pistachios until they are golden. Finally, stir the sugar, cream, and fried nuts into your pudding, simmering for an additional 5 minutes to blend all the flavors. Once your pudding is cooked, let it cool down a bit before carefully transferring it to your chosen serving dish. For the best taste and texture, refrigerate the pudding for a minimum of 2 hours, allowing it to chill thoroughly. Before serving, add a final touch by garnishing with extra sliced almonds, pistachios, or a light sprinkle of cardamom powder. This delightful and wholesome lotus seed pudding is now ready to be enjoyed, offering a comforting and delicious end to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.